Welcome back to another stream. I hope everybody's having an awesome morning so far. We have a massive week ahead. We have a giant slate of earnings. We're going to be getting Powell on Wednesday. I mean, what more do you need, dude? We're going to be having some pretty crazy volatility. We're going to be playing with the traffic lights as we always do. Let's just bring it back to Prince City. Welcome back, team. All right, everybody. So, again, for those of you guys that are new, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. No slackers around here. I mean, again, if you do hit 500, I will show you my feet, which it's weird. It's so weird that when you phrase it like that and there's no context, but it's okay. Let's actually go over a list of which companies are reporting earnings this week, because I know a lot of you like to hold some shit overnight. And while that's already very risky, you got to make sure that you know when these companies are reporting earnings, because you're going into a coin flip. So after hours today, there's really nothing. Before open Tuesday, we have Exxon, UPS, GM, Pfizer, Caterpillar, McDonald's, Spotify, Phillips 66. After hours, we have my baby AMD, Snapchat, Chubb, EA. And then Wednesday, Waste Management, T-Mobile, Peloton, Boston Scientific. Wednesday after close, Facebook. That's really it. And then Apple and Amazon and Google and Ford and Qualcomm and Starbucks after hours Thursday. So Thursday's fucking huge. So we have Powell Wednesday, and then Thursday we have a giant earnings slate. So get ready for that, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. And remember, team, today and tomorrow are the last 2 days that you are able to get your lifetime Trade 1348 membership for 50% off. The code is OG Lifetime. If you are an already existing member, make sure you guys reach out to Diana. She will give you all the instructions on exactly how to transfer over. And then for anybody that's new, if you guys want Lifetime, just use the code OG Lifetime and you are good to go. But remember, that 2-week free trial is still there. The price of the normal monthly membership is lower than it's lower by like $30 a month than what it was 2 months ago, but that's not going to stay the same forever. So if you guys want to get in, get that 2-week free trial and get access to all of the amazing tools that we offer you guys on our brand new, beautiful platform, check out that link pinned at the top of the live chat. But let's get it, dude. Watched the masterclass for the second time this morning. Great stuff, guys. Thank you, Boeing Trader. I appreciate that. Yeah, those lifetime masterclasses are killer for you guys, I think. A lot of you guys have been using some of the tips and tricks that we've been talking about in there, and it's been working pretty well. So congratulations to all you guys that have decided to get lifetime. It's a lot of you guys have already made that money back pretty quick, which is awesome to see. So let's see. Again, gonna wait it out a little bit in the morning like we usually do, just to kind of make sure we have an understanding of where the market wants to go. Probably gonna play the 1-minute traffic lights on the SPY. If something crazy happens on like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, maybe I'll play the 5 minutes, get some more time on the contracts, play around with them. But let's do it. Trade the trends. What's up, team? How we doing? Ooh, we are 6 likes away from 50 already. Don't be a slacker. Hit the like button. Woo! Happy Monday, team. Happy freaking Monday. Welcome back to Prince City. Welcome back, dude. I mean, again, we've been showing you guys the power of what we're doing over here. Again, it's just going to be another fucking clinic today. Let's see. Morning, everyone. Let's get after it. Austin, let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Good morning, everyone. What's up, Miles? What's up, team? How we doing? Everybody have a good weekend? Dude, I burnt the literal living shit out of my mouth this weekend. It was bad. It was very, very, very bad. I was at this like charity event thing at a bar, and like they brought out these like Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, and I was hungry and also drinking a little bit. So I just went right for them. That was a bad idea. I would have much rather just bitten into lava. So my tongue's up, but it's okay. You know, it is what it is. The Philly cheesesteak egg rolls were good. It's just, I don't know, man. Sometimes that's just the way the cookie crumbles. You get your mouth lit on fire when all you wanted was some Philly cheesesteak egg rolls, you know? All right. So, SPY on the 5-minute here looks like it's trying to move up off of that 401.50. We'll see. I mean, it's got a 1-minute traffic light back here. You see this nice little movement up. You get the 8 a.m. candle right here. A little bit of nonsense. Let's see. That sounds worse than Taco Bell. Like shitting yourself? I don't know. I feel like that's worse. That would make me a lot more uncomfortable than burning my mouth. Let's see. I'm going to try and be nice to a lot of this today because I've seen it twice in the live chat already, and I've been a little bit of an asshole about it. So in order for me not to be an asshole about some of these stocks that you guys are bringing up that you're going to get rug pulled on, I'm just not going to say anything about it unless you guys figure it out for yourself. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Weekend was solid, brother. Ready to travel to Prince City, dude. I'm excited. I'm pumped. I was thinking about that this weekend. I was like, damn, bro. I wish I had some 1 minute traffic lights in my life right now. Dude, you guys are ripping the like button already, too. I love it. I love it. Also, guys, Gabe got his Twitter back. And people already were mad. It was so funny. I love pissing people off on the internet. It's like the most fun thing, like my favorite pastime, because people hate so much and their lives are just so boring that like you piss them off and they just go like, "Grr," and they like short circuit and then they go fucking nuts at each other on Twitter. It's hilarious. So it happened yesterday and I was dying. There were people just like commenting over all the stuff and I was like, oh my God, this is like the funniest thing ever. And I love it. So I'm going to cause more emotional damage and it's going to be fun. Get ready, team. Gabe's back. I'm back. Or I never left on Twitter, but we're going to be having a lot of fun. In other words, don't buy poop stocks. Hey, buy whatever the hell you want, but don't come crying to me when you bought some garbage that somebody on the internet told you was going to go to some crazy number when you know there's probably some nonsense going on with it, and then it doesn't happen, and then you get rugged. Okay? That doesn't make any sense. 1 minute spy. How far are you buying contracts? 1 or 2 days to expiration. But again, like I've said a lot of the times, those are sized down. I'm not trading with 10% of my account on the 1 minute spies. That would be a bit silly to do. All right, let's see. I don't see anything on the what's on the news feed? Oil futures extend losses. Brent and crude. Brent's down by $1 a barrel. Ford cuts prices on electric Mustang Mach-E in response to Tesla. Oh, that's interesting. Natural gas prices dropped 5.6% to 2. What, bro? Natural gas is at 2.7. I remember when that was at like 8, dude. Well, we didn't get the cold winter that everybody was expecting, so that's fair enough. I mean, it wasn't that cold. It was cold, but it wasn't like freezing every single day. All right, folks. What are we going to get here? Nancy fucking around a little bit. Down. Ooh, Nancy's down 1.94. This could be a fun one today. Market's down. I mean, we're down 0.75% with no data coming today. Zero data. Look, nothing scheduled. Unless some random nonsense happens, no data. Ooh, what's this? Okay. Gap down real hard in extended hours. Yeah, dude, it keeps doing that shit. It's so volatile. I mean, there was a natural gas play, but like I'd almost have to like start looking at weather patterns, and I'm not doing that. So that's not going to happen. That's way too much nonsense. I'm not a giant fund. So why the fuck would I start looking at weather patterns when I could just trade the 1 minute traffic lights? That doesn't make any sense. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. You guys are almost at 100. You're 15 away. We got 260 of you guys in here today. So we do have some slackers, but that's okay. Nancy had news in the pre-market. What was the news on Nancy? NVIDIA, Micron, insider selling. That makes sense. Insider selling at this point makes sense. It's interesting that it's coming before earnings. Like if you look at Nancy on the daily, look at this, dude. I mean, you've been just free falling. You run up, you sell off, you run up again. That's not terrible for insider sells. Because remember, these guys are in like this is the weekly. Like they've been in this thing since like the 30s, dude. Let's see. Dropped a like crazy earlier than everyone else. Was like maybe Chinese. Let's buy it. All right, maybe man. All right. I mean, I think Spy's got some juice on it today. This is interesting here. If this thing can break, I kind of like it. Let's see what happens with this thing. This probably has a 5-minute traffic light right now. Yeah, 5-minute traffic light back here. Oh, that's not the 1 minute. Oh, this is the 1 minute. Ah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. So key things to pay attention to this week. I mean, Powell Wednesday earnings. Be careful if you got. Okay, we can have this little talk right here about earnings. Please be careful, guys. There's no need to go willy-nilly on earnings. It's not a consistent and repeatable process. You're basically, I mean, not even basically, you're gambling. No, even if you do this, the way that I do the strangles, when you calculate it and you basically try to put the math on your side, with the way that options are priced in like these days, it almost doesn't even make sense to do that. You need like such giant moves on earnings in order to make decent money. 2 years ago, it wasn't the case. You could basically do 1.5 the expected move and you were good, but the expected moves were lower. So you'd be like, okay, well, now you'd have to do 1.5 the expected move, but the expected move is way higher. So you need to make such a giant move in order to make money on earnings. Now, that being said, with the current macroeconomic environment that we are in, and these companies are basically struggling a little bit, you got to see which way they're going to go. You could see giant moves. Is it worth it? Not necessarily, because the market makers are going to price that into the option chain. So I probably won't be touching it. I think they're going to pull the rug on GNS. Any stock that runs crazy, it will rug pull. Any stock that runs crazy, it will, I guarantee you, it will rug pull at some point. It will die and come back down. When you see stocks run crazy, it is not sustainable. They will come back down. What goes up must come down. There's gravity in the market. Please be careful. You were like number 100, Super Dad Dusty. I appreciate that. I don't know when. I don't know how high it's going to go before it does, but it will. So be careful. Good morning, SCV and the team. Kelly, good morning, team. Good morning, everybody. And remember, for those of you guys filtering in here right now, today and tomorrow are the last days to get 50% off your lifetime membership to Trade 1348, the platform. Use code OG Lifetime. You get it for 50% off. But again, remember, the 2-week free trial is still there. That's not going to be around forever, and those prices are going to be going up in the future. So if you want to lock it in at $69, which is also about $30 a month cheaper than it was 2 months ago, make sure you guys do that now before the prices start going back up when we release some brand new spicy ass features. So that link's in the top of the live chat here, but I can throw it in the chat for you guys as well. Let's see. Here you go. Here you go, right there. Boom. Don't get left behind. We've been saying it a lot. You guys have seen the success. Also, I want to give a shout out to Tommy. This is who I want to give a shout out to. I tweeted about this yesterday. Tommy sent a tweet with some of the gains. So this is Tommy's tweet here. I joined 1348 the last week of December 2022. I can tell you I'm not a paid spokesperson. Either it's a very legitimate platform. My 1-month results, join in every day on the live stream. If you don't think it's legit, we are all there. His last 1 month P&L, $64,318.10. $64,000. $64,318.10. Tommy, congratulations, dude. You made the, I mean, I know you think, I'm guessing you think you made the right choice by joining back with us. Yeah, I mean, again, there's going to be people talking all they want. They can go fuck themselves. We're going to help you guys make money in the market every single day while everybody else on the internet is leading you to the slaughter with all their bullshit. Why is that not linking? That's weird. Is this not linking either? I don't know. That did. What did he start off with? I don't know. Still made 64 grand in a month, bro. That's still ridiculous. So that's on my Twitter if you guys want to go see it. I know a lot of you guys are like, proof. It's on my Twitter. Short to VIX 1. Let's get after it, though, team. Oh, and for all you new guys that have been joining up with us, because I know there's a shitload of you, and welcome to all of you guys too. Make sure you're watching the curriculum videos. We've evolved the system a pretty significant amount over the last year. So you have to get the basics from what we were talking about back in the early of last January, but we're basically leading you guys through a process to becoming like just nasty traders. So now we've released you guys like the 1-minute stuff, the 4-hour, the daily traffic lights. But you got to start off with the foundation. Remember, 1348 is just the core of what we teach. We expand on it and apply all of those rules, logic, risk management, everything, discipline for sure. to these other things that we are teaching you guys in the new tools that we are providing you. So make sure, one, paper trade for a little bit, understand how to navigate your broker, and watch all those curriculum videos. If you guys have any questions on the curriculum videos, let me know. Yeah, let's get after it, man. Let's get all you guys printing. We're gonna take all you guys to the promised land. Let's do it. Do you think some of the traffic light to traffic light plays on the 5 minute get you out too slow? Is that why you play the 5 minute? No, it's more so I just like to get in and out very quickly. So sort of marky mark, but I like to put my money into the market and then be out very quickly if I'm day trading. I don't want to be in the market for a while. Like if I'm in on a 5 minute trade, I have to size up a little bit just because like and go with the full 10%, just because like we're going, I mean, not always, but sometimes I like depending on what stock it is, like I gotta throw some like decent money at it to get like 3 weeks of time to expiration. Like if I'm trading like a something crazy and I want to get enough contracts on it, well, I'd have to size up to 10%. So doing that, I mean, again, I don't like to put my money in the market for an extended period of time. That's why I developed the stop loss strategy for you guys, because I want you guys to be able to get in and out quick and trade risk free, which is what I do. I literally trade for free most of the time. Scale out, take my money, and then boom, feels like theta kills me even though it's going in the right direction. Try not to chase. Yeah, it could be the chase candles that you're hitting. Like you're hitting a giant green candle buying calls. You're hitting Tesla was up 11% Friday. That's fucking crazy. Will you be remaking them soon? No, the core of the strategy that we're teaching in those videos is the exact same. We just have a couple of different indicators in them. That's it. But they're not outdated. We just keep evolving the system. Those videos are so very, very relevant to understanding the core of the strategy. But let's see here, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. We're almost at 150. Let's have a great day, huh? Holding. Message retracted. All right, what do we got here? Dude, I need a haircut so bad. I got to schedule that. I think I'm going to try to go Wednesday or Thursday. I had an interesting weekend this weekend, people. I almost saw Taylor Swift, which when you think about it, was actually would have been the move, but they didn't allow me to do this one specific thing there. So I had to go somewhere else. And I was like, somewhere else. But they just didn't have like the special thing that I like to do. So I just went somewhere else. But then I basically recruited other people that I know that I've told you guys about, and then we went and whatever. We can talk about that in the afternoon stream. That's usually when we go a little bit left. Now it's like focus up time. Wow, Kusora. Yeah, I didn't want to get. I don't know. That was a bad one. Glad I got here in April of last year. This platform has become so powerful. Miles, appreciate that, buddy. Thank you, guys. Yeah, again, remember, don't get left behind, team. Get your 2 weeks free. Cost you nothing. $0. Cost you nothing. It's literally just gonna cost you time. Learning the strategy coming in, it's all about teaching you how to fish. If you think that you're going to be out here following somebody else's trades on the internet and you're going to get rich, you are sadly mistaken. That is not the way to go. Taylor Swift. Here's one of the reasons why I was going to go see Taylor Swift. I didn't know that Taylor Swift was performing before I was about to do what I was going to do. Didn't know. But then when I found out Taylor Swift, I was like, okay, who goes to a Taylor Swift concert? Not me. Not my demographic. Like a lot of girls. We got to the thing and they were like, the fire marshal basically told us, they were like, there's too many girls in there. And we were like, okay. You mean Taylor Swift almost met Jack? Yeah, I mean, I don't know her dad, but I know people that do know her dad. I'm not gonna say who. Yeah, exactly. Like, it was an 18+ event. That was the thing. It was an 18+ event because it was at a club. So it was an 18+ event. So it was like, okay, so there's going to be a bunch of people that are going to be older that are just going to see Taylor Swift, and the ratio is just going to be out of whack. And I was like, seems like a good thing to do. Daily Taylor got it. Yeah. Good guess, team. You guys are killing it this morning. Good morning, Ankle Army. What's up, Winning Loser? That's why you go. Yeah, honestly, though, the thing is I didn't really care because I had already like, the other plan was better, if that makes sense. I didn't need to go talk to a bunch of people that like loving Taylor Swift. Even though this one does like Taylor Swift, it's okay. Whatever, bro. It's cool. I thought, Moto, I literally just thought you spelled out she's a hooker. And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. It's early, man. You can't be catching me with stuff like that. All right, teams, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are getting there. I love it. If you guys do end up getting to 500, we will do something fun. And remember, if you do it 1,000, we got to do the Batman thing. At 1,000, we'll do the Batman thing. What's my favorite Taylor Swift song? I don't know. I don't know. I'd have to hear a few. Oh, there is one. I think Future's on it. I think there's a Future one that's kind of a slapper. You were reading some comments of Gabe's post on Twitter. I needed a good laugh and people are staying by hold. Yeah, I know. They're literally brainwashed. It's okay. Like, no matter what we say to them, and it's like, hey guys, keep your expectations in check. Nobody knows anything. Blah, blah, blah. They're like, no, fuck you. It's like, all right, good luck with that. See how that goes. All right, team. Dude, I'm like kind of hungry here too, which is weird because I need to not be as hungry. You know, I would just rather not be that hungry right now. I gotta stop eating Chipotle. Stretches out your stomach and you're just like, I'm hungry all the time. All right. Let's see. What's going on with Baba? I haven't checked it this morning. What is going on with Baba? Oh, that's a knife. Jesus. Oh my Lord. It's 5%, dude. I don't see anything. That could just be normal. Maybe hold on. What's this? Because Baba can pre-market after reports surfaced regarding the company moving its headquarters out of the country. Alibaba is close to completing a new campus in Singapore. That's interesting. Thomas, Jesus. That's interesting. Nuts? No. Oh, so speaking of nuts, we were messing with a scammer this weekend. We did this too. So we were sitting on the couch at my buddy's house, and my buddy was trying to sell his Oculus, and this lady just keeps like texting him, and like there's no way that like we just deduced that this was a scammer because they were trying to buy it without ever seeing anything on it, and they couldn't come. They wanted the bank info. It was very, very strange. So my buddy just said to her, like, the email, it was like ligma-johnson69@gmail.com. And this person literally tried to send an email to it. And they were like, it didn't work. And then my buddy replies, oh my God, why did you send it to Candace? Okay, I feel like you boomers are not going to get these jokes this morning. This is like comedy for like my age group. And then that was really it. She was like, who's Candace? And we were like, it's okay, guys. Sorry. The jokes aren't as good this morning. I'm like super focused on the market here. I just want the damn market to open. Ooh, we are 10 likes away from 150. Okay. I'll throw Tessie on the 1 minute over here. Don't mind if I do. I understood until you got to Candace. That's okay. You don't have to know. It's okay. I'm not going to say it. Do girlfriend commentary on price action that always slaps. Okay, we can do that today. Your girl. Okay, we can. Okay, the girlfriend price action stuff. Okay, we can do that. If we start to see some nonsense, we can do it. Your SPY 406 puts looking okay this morning. Yeah, I mean you're down to like $3 in the pre-market here. You easily could just shoot up at open though, so be careful. All right. Dude, they didn't. I had to go get coffee this morning. Like I had to go to CVS and buy the K cups, and they didn't have like the normal Dunkin' ones, and so I got the French vanilla ones, and they're like not terrible, but they're kind of weird tasting. So it literally just feels like I'm drinking aspartame, which is like all right, I guess, but it just tastes weird. What up, party people? Let's get ready to send it. Let's do it, Scott. Dude, let's have a fucking good day today, huh? Huh? You guys ready to have a good day? Yeah, remember, guys, last day today and tomorrow to snag Lifetime for 50% off. Use the code OG Lifetime. Let's see here. You don't like the flavored ones in the morning? I kind of like it bitter, dude. Like, I kind of like my like because I drink black coffee. I'm like, what? And it's iced. I don't know. The Starbucks creme brulee and caramel ones are good. Let's see. I mean, Spy's hunting a 5-minute cross up here, but you're gonna have to fight with this 200 and 404.50. So we'll see. But again, there's no news today. Like, there's no data. So this could just be like random price action scalp day. You make your money and get out, aim for 1% and be done. That's kind of what I'm thinking. And then see, this week too is weird because you either can set yourself for the ability to make a shitload of money, but again, it's going to be high risk, or you basically just sit this week out a little bit and go a little bit on the sidelines and size down because there's so much bullshit happening. IV is going to be out that like, dude, IV is going to be higher than some dude that smoked weed for the first time. Like, it's gonna be crazy because you have earnings, you have Powell, you have all this nonsense happening. Like, everybody's gonna be expecting big moves, so the premiums are gonna be a little inflated and they may not move as much. Just be a little careful this week, team. I mean, again, try to just be disciplined. Take those high quality setups and don't do anything silly. The last time Spy cracked down hard, your dog puked pre-market. He puked this morning, so there's that to consider. Oh, okay. Definitely sizing down. Yeah, man. I mean, you want to be a little careful with kind of the stuff that we have. Like, we'll see. I like how the market looks this morning, but we'll see. Ooh, we're at 150 likes. I appreciate it, team. Puts on Spy based on puke. Got it. Please don't do that. Dude, there was like that time where like the dude's dog on Wall Street Bets, people were looking at it and it was like where he pooped on the side of the yard. I was like, you guys are really stupid. Would you touch Snap above 11 or you stay away from Snap because it's too cheap? I'd probably stay away from it because it's too cheap. Just for me. I don't like those types of stocks, but why 11 though? Why is 11 so key? Is there a big level here? I mean, you're already running a little bit. I mean, it's honestly like 11:08, 11:10. You could see a nice break on the 4-hour. But again, I mean, when you're looking at these things, guys, if I throw Snap on the 4-hour here for you, look, I mean, you've already like the traffic lights, another really solid indication. I mean, you get this traffic light down here. If you're looking at this on the daily back here, I bet you get a nice, sexy traffic light back in what? Down here at 9:30, dude. I mean, these traffic lights are filthy. Here's the other thing I want to show you guys. So all of you guys that have been lurking, I know you guys all saw the Lucid movement on what do you call it? On Friday. So let's actually show you guys where our traffic light system would have gotten you in if you were trying to trade Lucid. I gotta zoom this the fuck out because it's like, look at this, dude. Still going. Look, so these traffic lights here, again, the interesting thing about the traffic lights that I want to show you guys is one, you catch these, the really good ones, they print. You get alerted here on this Lucid one at 9:04. The interesting thing about the traffic lights is when they're wrong very small. Like very small. Let's see. And Brian, I don't care where the market goes. It's all reactive. Don't be predictive. That's how you get fucked up in this market. I think we definitely could move up, but I don't care. Like, who the fuck knows? I mean, you could easily see a test of 400. You could see a lot of shit today. So I'm just gonna react to it as it comes. This is on the 5-minute, the 1-minute. I mean, it did it on both. Did I catch the link you dropped and shoot the shit? Dude lost 100K selling Tesla puts. Oh Jesus. How though? How'd you lose 100 grand selling Tesla puts? I mean, if you were selling Tesla puts, you probably made a fuckload of money. sound. That's got to be on you. Everybody can hear me. Yeah, SPY moving up a little bit here. Full port YOLO. Yeah, but how did you? Oh, he was selling calls. Oh, that makes more sense. What up, SUV? What's up, Luke? Yeah, he should. If he was selling puts, it. Oh, was it calls? Was it naked calls? That makes more sense. Naked calls are the riskiest thing that you can do, dude. like, like that's why brokers like really don't let you do it because you can just go boom dead. Like you're done at that point. You can like imagine you sell a naked call, the call goes up 300%. You're down 300%. You bought like 1,000 of them. Uh oh. Or you sold like $1,000 worth of them and they're down 300%. Uh oh, dude, you're in the hole. All right, how much time we got left? 14 minutes to go. Woo! Dude, we are going to have some fun today. I hope you guys are ready. Dude, I am so pumped that Gabe has his Twitter back. I guess I like literally can't wait to see him just go nuts and then like everybody lose their fucking minds because it's funny. You are the hole? Okay. Yeah, there's literally unlimited risk with selling options unless they're covered calls or I mean puts. Yeah, well, no, it's technically there's not unlimited risk if it's the only thing that has unlimited risk is a true short, which I mean it is theoretically unlimited. And then naked calls because puts you already know, like puts, like you already know what the max loss can be. Actually, no, that's not true. It's premium sold plus the stock going to zero. So whatever that number is, but it's still defined. What happens if you lose more than you have in the port? You get this thing called a margin call, and then they are gonna come and get your money. They are gonna force you to. They actually might. I think I have not seen this, but I think since your bank is linked to your broker, they will siphon it in. I think, which is kind of crazy. I mean, not really though, because you made a decision that now you owe the broker money, but let's not make stupid decisions here. How about that? You become broke. You do become broke. What's your thoughts on AMD to the downside? You know what I feel about AMD. I mean, this morning I was looking at it a little bit. It's down a little. Down what, a dollar? Yeah, again, in the pre-market here, I genuinely like or generally, I don't really care a whole lot what's happening. Like I want to see kind of where things are and relate like how what percentage they're up or down. But other than that, we just need to see what the market's going to do at open. That's really it. Like in the first 10 minutes, you just got to see where the market wants to go. They would just liquidate your collateral. Yeah, I mean, they would. You would get margin called before that, and they'd close out your position. Like, you probably wouldn't get to that point unless there's a giant gap up or gap down. That's where it could get you. If you held something overnight and then there's something crazy that happens, like in earnings, then you're kind of fucked. And you're screwed. Oops, bye-bye money. That's probably like the worst way to piss money away, too. You're up on GNS 50%. Good for you. When are you selling it? Like, you're up 50% on shares. What are you doing? Do what you're going to do. But again, like I said earlier, I'm going to try. Actually, fuck it. That's dumb. Okay, so here's the deal. If you're gonna go into those stocks with a plan and actually like say, okay, I'm gonna make a little bit of money on this, then I'm gonna scale out, take my initial investment back, and do all that stuff. Cool. I don't care. Do whatever you want to do as long as it's with proper risk management. But if you're one of those people that's like, oh my god, it's gonna go to fucking 50 or some bullshit like that, I would say at that point you probably deserve to lose money. So depending on which category that you fall under, make your decisions accordingly and make sure you're keeping yourself safe in the market. If I piss you off with some of the things that I say on this stream, good. It means I'm making you think because at the same time, most people in this market are not thinking and then they lose money and then they come crying back to me like a couple of months later, join 1348 when they could have had more money to actually get in the system with and make like this is you got to be careful, please. Please be careful. All right, SPY. 10 minutes until open. Here we go, folks. Dude, we are 25. Dude, we're going to hit 200 likes in the pre-market, bro. Jesus. Thank you, guys. Taco Lori, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You have to think differently than the 90% of the... Yeah, exactly. Watch, then somebody's going to be come in here and be like, you don't know what you're talking about, bro. It's like, yeah, I do. Actually. I do, actually. Stop it, Tabasco. Jesus. That's on Verizon looking toppy. What time frame? I mean, this is just the 1 minute here. Why am I on the 15-minute? Fuck the 15-minute. Why? This is why I don't trade on my computer. It's flat in the pre-market here. If you throw this on like what, the 4-hour, this is gonna look fucked up. It doesn't. What is this candle? Oh, is this one of those stocks that got halted too? That would make sense. Good morning, Sachin. You're liking GIS for a long-term option swing play? Ooh, what's that? What's that? General Mills. They have DM. They have earnings like this week. I know they have earnings this week. Be careful. Unless they already had it. Which I don't think they did, but yeah, also remember all of you affiliates, remember this is the last 2 days for the 50% off lifetime deal. If anybody that you refer gets lifetime, remember that percentage I believe is still either very similar or the same. So you get a nice little chunk if you affiliates go for the convert anybody to lifetime. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that. You guys were asking about that. You guys have been killing it with it. But again, remember OG lifetime for those of you guys in here, 50% off lifetime. You also get the 2-week free trial at the lower monthly price than it was 2 months ago. And that's going to be going up. But if you want to get locked in, make sure you guys do that soon, because I'm telling you, you're going to get left behind and we don't want to leave you guys behind. Let's see. Tessie, what do we got here? All right, man. What time frame is this? I don't want the 5. I want the 1. The 600. That was funny. A reverse split. Those are historically terrible. So I don't know. We'll see. Remember, the only way the reverse split works is that if somehow they can reverse split it to a higher price and then they can sell the ape shares at that higher price. That's the only way it works. Just telling you right now. Because at the same time, it doesn't change anything. So here's the thing. If they do the reverse split and then they make ape convertible, do you know what ape has just been classified as? A giant fuck you failure. If they can't raise more money at the whatever higher price and sell more ape units there. That's what happens. It's just a failure. Money Making Monday. What's up, gang? Not much, man. But if they can raise a little bit more money, and that's cool. So who knows? I don't have any trust in that C-suite. I think they completely fucked things up. I also think retail fucked a lot of things up when they didn't let anybody dilute back in 2020. What was that? 2, 1, both of them. That was dumb, but whatever. It's in the past. Let's see. They're looking for a vote. Yeah. Good morning, team. Let's have a great week. Christopher, let's do it. Dude, we're 1 like away from 200 already. You guys are killing it today. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Best way to convert to lifetime. I just sent a message to a moderator in the Discord. Yes, so Slother, Diana is probably the best person to reach out to. Diana, I think you're going to be busy over these next 2 days helping people convert over to lifetime. I know we've been getting a lot of questions about it. People have been waiting till the last second. But yeah, just reach out to Diana and she will help you convert. That's the same thing with all of our existing members if that is something that you guys want to do. Dude, you guys are ripping the likes today. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate that. Let's get after it today, team. Welcome back to Print City. Let's have some fun. Has to be approved as well. Well, whatever. We want ankles. SPY traditional cross. Yeah, but I mean, if it's in the pre-market, that's not going to help you. And if it's right at open, I probably wouldn't take that either. I want to see it. I need to see a little bit of price action when the market opens in order to make a decision. All right, folks, let's get after it. I love it. 5 more minutes. Let's go. Yep. We got 5 minutes to go, team. You guys are just murdering the like button for fun. I love that. Thank you. Come on. There appears to be a Diana imposter sending message in Discord. No, there is. There's a Diana imposter, which, I mean, just ask people in the chat to make sure it's the real one or not. We kick those out as soon as we find them. Let's see. Thanks for those nice gems in the class yesterday. Really helped out. Mauser, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, dude, that Lifetime Masterclass is sweet. And remember, in order to get the Lifetime Masterclass live, you're going to have to be a Lifetime member before basically midnight tomorrow night. Those are sweet, man. I love those Masterclasses. I could talk about the 1 minute with you guys all day long. It's fucking filthy. So let's see here. Ooh, we got some shit on Twitter. What's the Boeing awarded U.S. Air Force contract for? Oh, that's interesting. Not moving. Where's TLT these days? 106. Okay. TLT could be coming back soon. Who knows? What up, SUV? Hit the like button. Freeloaders, Life Wisdom. There's not too many freeloaders in the chat today. I like it. You guys are crushing it, dude. Let's see. $2.3 billion contract for 9th production lot. That's pretty big. I'm not sure how many times I look at the daily compounding calculator this weekend. Base hits, people, me included. Yep, base hits, man. Secure those base hits. Are you doing something wrong that you can't find the 1 minute traffic lights? What do you mean? They're on your chart. They're on your chart. So make sure that you have our TradingView charts downloaded. That is the only place that you are able to get those traffic lights. So, I mean, you guys have seen the power for them. It's our new indicator that we built out for everybody. It's filthy. I live by them. They're so nasty. Up 7% of the portfolio this month. Teaser. There you go. Yeah, again, I want to shout out Tommy again. I don't know if Tommy's in here right now. I read his tweet to you guys a little bit earlier. I can always read it again. He said yesterday when people were being stupid, like just on Twitter. I mean, I joined 1348 the last week of December 2022. I can tell you I'm not a paid spokesperson either. It's a very legitimate platform. My 1 month results join in every day on the live stream. If you don't think it's legit, we are all there. Last 1 month P&L, $64,318.10. When do the monthly subscribers get the masterclass? They don't. We might release them like months down the road to everybody, like the original ones, but those are really just for lifetime members right now. Let's see. Best community out here, hands down. I appreciate that. Will the payment plan be starting up on the 1st? Maybe not exactly on the 1st. We do have a couple of things that we need to iron out for it, but it's going to be pretty soon. So it could be exactly on the 1st. I just got to talk to Andy, but it's probably going to be either like the 1st or 2nd week of February. I would say expect it maybe again by the end of next week at the latest. But again, it's coming. It's just we have a couple of things we have to figure out. Up 7% of the portfolio from last week, Carlos. That's sweet, dude. That is sweet. But yeah, that payment plan is coming soon too. All right, folks, we got 1 minute to go until open. Let's get after it, dude. We are 6 likes away from 250. Jesus. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Oh, dude, I started doing these different ab workouts the other day, and it's just like, I used to just be like super shredded, and I started doing these again, and I was like, oh, this is going to be dangerous. I can feel it this morning. Dude, I used to be in such good shape, and then I started hanging out with you people all day long. I mean, I'm not in bad shape right now. Like, I'm in decent shape, but like not to where I was, which kind of sucks, but whatever, bro. It is what it is. Oh, ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go. SPY with a little pop. Let's see. Let's see here, team. Let's see what we're going to get today. Nancy with a traffic light. That's interesting. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. SPY fucking around. Apple's starting to run there a little bit. Nancy doing a little something. Let's see here. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. You'll smash the like. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Let's see. SPY chopping. Let's see. Let's see if Nancy can break 201. It's just kind of fucking around at 250 here in this 1 minute 200. Slow start. Yeah. Everything's moving a little slow here. Ooh, shark, shark, shark. SPY's looking to push here a little bit. NVIDIA at the 5 minute 200. Yeah, it's just chopping here. Nancy can move quick, so you got to be careful of it. No, that's a slip. Let's see. SPY's still trying to run here. Let's see. Let's see if SPY can get through that 200. Super quick 10% on the SPY pop. Very sized down. Nice, dude. Nice. Nancy's slipping hard. So. That's a bit icky there. What do we got? What are we going to get here? Huh. Tesla shark? Interesting. The spread was that could just be due to what do you call it? Just at open you see a bit of nonsense on the spreads. Let's see if Nancy now it's hunting 199 here, dude. There's a Nancy slip. Let's see if this cascades. Cool. Hold on. Yeah, a little bit of Nancy death here. Let's see what we got. First trade, 3% on the port. You're taking a break? Nice, dude. Yeah, I'm up a little bit on these Nancy's here. Let's see. I already scaled out. I have a stop and profit. Going to see where it wants to go. Actually, I might move that up. Where is that? Oh, no, that's fine. That's where I want it. Let's see. Spy's still holding here. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Helps get some more people in here. Helps out with the YouTube algos a little bit. Let's see if Spy wants to get a little crackety crack here. Let's see. Let's see here, team. All right. Everything's kind of fucking around. We got 3 minutes, 2 minutes until a new candle coming. Now, Nancy slipping here. I'm up like 7% on those. That's fine. 10% on the port, done for the day. Traffic lights for the win. TQQ puts from last night. Okay, well, that's a bit risky, but good for you on that hit. Dollar shark. Ooh, that could get interesting. Nancy's not having any fun here. I mean, if Spy's coming up to that 200 on the 5. Here it comes. Oh, that's a candle there. Yeah, Nancy got bought up. I just got sold out on those contracts. Nice. Nothing really actionable yet here. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, the RSI is hot. It is hot. Hold on. Huh. Okay. If it wasn't so early, you would have taken that rim on the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, I guess. I'm waiting for something more actionable here. That's just kind of what I'm looking for. I mean, I flipped the Nancy's, that's fine, but it's just hot. Like this is heating here. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see. Dude, Spy, where's Tessie? Oh, hi, Tesla. Sitting right on its 200 right here. Let's see. Spy slip. Nancy slip. Tessie not doing it yet. Apple. All right, let's see. It's a nice 200 EMA rejection there. Up 11% on the portfolio and out. Good luck, people. Don't forget the stop loss. Good shit, Eddie. There you go. Killing it, dude. Again, guys, make sure that you're hopping in for your 2-week free trials over there. I'll throw that link for you guys in the live chat. Again, 2 weeks for free, guys. There you go. For free. Is Amazon earnings this week? Yes. Thursday. The amount of hold on. Let's see. $403.76. Okay. That's funny. Let's see, Spy. What you want to do here? It's kind of rimming. There's another 1-minute candle. Let's see. You played AMD instead of NVIDIA. It was moving slower, though. Hit another 1% on the port. 4% and possibly done. Good shit. Spy likes to come back to 400. That's a giant drop. That's a giant drop from where we are now. Let's see. Trader Joe and Pythagoras are both trading shares, and Trader Joe trades on the daily. Let's see here. Ooh, Spy back up. That's a nice candle there. Let's see. Pythagoras is also on the daily, too. Let's see. Carvana's up 13% so far this morning. Carvana's a piece of shit. It's literal dog shit. Like legitimate piece of poop. Ooh, there's that 200 EMA again. Let's see. Are they just gonna run this? Yeah, they are. Let's see here. Nancy's looking interesting here. Dude, these NVIDIA wicks are ridiculous. Look at this thing. What is that? Carvana paused due to volatility. SPY's up there, dude. That's 404. That's pretty big. Let's see. No meetings this morning? Nice. Let's see if we get a nice little like turn and burn here. If SPY just breaks here, like 404 again, 404.50 is like the level, dude. News say nothing. Nothing really. I mean, you did get some Boeing shit, but that's it, really. Nancy turning up there. Let's see. Scalp Nancy again for 11%. That's pretty sweet. Traffic lights for the fucking win, dude. Hold on. Where is this? 1 second. Oh, that's wow. I have lots of room on this. Holy shit. Yeah, SPY a little shark here at what is this? 404.40? Yeah, 404.60. That's fine. Let's see. Okay, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way, and let's see what we're gonna get here. I'm just scalping, dude. Like it's just scalp city. Like Nancy turning up, that's pretty good. I've got to stop and profit on this thing. That was a nasty scale out. I effectively top ticked it. So let's see if those keep going. No, it's just coming right back down like an asshole. These are gonna hit. Dude, that's crazy. The stop loss strategy is going nuts today. I'm just hitting these giant Nancy candles. Looks like Tessie's gonna run up again. It might. That's crazy. Stopped out of NVIDIA for 6%. Dude, I know this is Nancy's crazy. You're in Tesla right now? Nice. Let's see. Killing the 1 minute? Dude, the 1 minute's silly. I mean, that's what I did on NVIDIA right here. Just boom. This is why I use the stop loss strategy too. Like, this is exactly why. Because now it's just coming right back down. I mean, SPY's just rejecting this level I've got right here. Let's see if it wants to break up and close above. And Tessie can make maybe a nice little move, but Apple's doing a whole lot of nothing here. You're up 60% out of Verizon calls in that 20-minute move. Nice, guy. All right, guys, again, remember, make sure you're taking advantage of your 2-week free trials. And today and tomorrow are the last days to get 50% off lifetime with the code OG Lifetime. Make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that because after it's going over that payment plan. So SPY, and we're thinking of some more additional benefits for you lifetime members as well, just as an added thank you. You guys, right now, you get like the lifetimers that paid all in one go. You get beta access to everything. So right now that you guys have the daily traffic lights and the 4-hour traffic lights, and you get the lifetime master classes live. Let's see. 4%. I'm done. The market is not good today. It's been 20 minutes. Relax. It's been 20 minutes. Got your 11% on SPY this morning, but is really surprised how long it took for your limit order to with a stop loss to hit. Why are you doing stop limits? Why are you doing stop limits? When have I said stop limits are a good idea? Never said that in my life. Stop limits are very dangerous because you can get skipped. Let's see. Let's see. SPY's still teetering. Let's see. Dude, this thing's just running. I mean, you're still red on the SPY here, which is interesting. I don't see anything that I'm like, oh, I love this right now. Huh. Yeah, patience is key. Yeah, I mean, I like those Nancy. The Nancy moves are fun. They're just you have to be quick. Like I still don't hate it. It's just like, hmm. Yeah, there goes the rejection. Hmm. If you're not liking anything, then take a look at GTII face ripping. Hey, Eric, I'm gonna say something to you right now, and it's gonna be fuck you. Because if everybody in this live chat doesn't like anything right now, and you're like, look at this thing that's up 30%, you're literally just telling everybody in this live chat to go chase it. That is literally coming into my live chat and saying, I hope you lose money and trying to use my live chat as exit liquidity. I don't like that. So don't do that. This is your one warning. Let's see. SPY, big knife there. Jesus. And it's a pumping up nonsense stock. Why would we even I said I was going to try to be nice today with that nonsense, but it's not we're not playing around with that game. Apple slip, SPY slip. That's pretty big. GTII. No, bro. Jesus. Yeah, let's just all go lose money together. No. Jesus. I care about your portfolios more than you guys do. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's do it. You don't need these bullshit penny stocks, these pump and dump nonsense things to make money in the market. When will they learn? I don't, probably after a blown up account. I don't know. Dude, this SPY movement just keeps getting bought quick. Jeez. Look at that. Right back to 404. Yeah. You want to come hang out with the winning team that's not going to do any nonsense like that? Trade1348.com. 2 weeks for free. Jesus. Every day, dude, somebody comes in and just like makes my brain bleed. All right. So the sellers are here. It's just like, how far are they going to push it? Another 1% on the port on that SPY rejection, 10% play. Nice. Watching for a break of that 48. Yeah, it didn't want to get the traffic light. So this is why too. Remember how we were talking about in the lifetime masterclass yesterday? You're never chasing this candle ever. Don't you ever chase this candle. Because this right here fucks you. Like even if you got in up here, you're not down very much. But again, the traffic light didn't come. You tried to front run the traffic light and you're bagged. Be careful chasing. Dude, this movement today is a bit crazy. What about the candle above the 13? What do you mean, Arvin? This? Like these? What do you mean? That's a dollar move from that low. Some wonky price. I mean, RSI still below its moving average on the 1 minute. How's this look on the 5? That's just an RSI. This looks terrible, the 5 minute. Oh my God. Let's see. Yeah, this has just been scalp city this morning. I mean, I had to be super quick on those Nancy's, which is fine. That's why I use the stop loss strategy, but seems to be stalling out a bit. Yeah, but here's the problem. Like, I see what you're saying, stalling out, but this is interesting. If this sold off, consolidated, and or came back up and used the 13 as resistance, that would have been more interesting, and that would give more like evidence to like you saying it's stalling out. The fact that this just got bought up right away, back above 400, to me is like, I'm gonna give this a little bit. I'm gonna give that a little bit more time to see what this thing wants to do. Because this could just go. I mean, you're still in the red by a third of a percent. Like, you could just see this thing rip for no reason, which would be funny. Like, it's hunting the highs right now. Guys, this is such a good example of why you don't chase. Such a good example. I mean, this could have looked good on these crack candles if you saw it come up and just touch and kiss this 13. Then you got a traffic light and it started to push off to the downside. The fact that it just ripped right back through. And again, that you wouldn't have even been in on this candle. Do not chase. Please, 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 please do not chase. Could I explain in girlfriend terms? Yes, which she just said that she saw her ex at the bar, and then she just came right home to you. That's what's happened here. Could you explain it? We could do the girlfriend price action thing today. We could. I don't know. It's not. I don't know. You think you use the wrong terminology? We will limit take profit slash stop loss. Is this the correct method? You can use that. I don't though, just because I'd have to set up multiple orders. So, what's harder, not chasing or pulling the trigger when you see a setup? For most of you guys, it's going to be not chasing. Yeah, now it looks like it's stalling because it hasn't 40460, but we will is 40458. I don't know. There's a candle there. Let's see. Dude, this is just fucking around. Tessie's just at this level here, this 175.50. This, I kind of want to wait for a rejection, but this could just be one of those days where SPY runs. I mean, you got this traffic light over here. Is there a 5-minute one somewhere? Way back here. Yeah, nothing's too actionable here. Nothing too actionable, man. Dude, we are almost at 300 likes today. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. We're like 31 away. Thanks, team. Waiting. Yeah, that makes sense. Amazon looks close to a cross, no yellow dot. You won't front run. Good. Amazon also has earnings this week, so the premium is going to be a little bit fucked up. Risk is pretty tight on QQQ. I mean, to the 13, 293.75, 25 cents of risk, worth 30 cents of risk. That's not terrible. RSI is cooked. Is it on the 5? Yeah, it is. Yep. I want my reversal. We'll see if we're going to get it. Let's see. What's the recent highs on SPY on like I mean, I could throw this on like the 2 hour and just kind of see where it is. Where's this? 408. Okay. Bed Bath & Beyond is taken off. When did bankruptcy become a buy signal? Guys, why are we so... Oh, dude. Okay. You'll learn. You'll learn. It's fine. It's not my money. How likely is it to see a pullback to the 200 as the 13? I mean, you could always see it. How far is that? 403.77, about $1. You could definitely see that. I mean, you've got this big resistance up here. 405.66 that you could hit. Let's fill in the pre-market gap. Fair. Fair. New highs. New high. More new highs. They have you hot today? It's because I want people making money, not fucking gambling in the market, bro, on bullshit. You want to gamble on bullshit? Go to the fucking casino, bro. That's not what we're here to do. You want to make solid, consistent money in the market? You know exactly what you need to do. Some people really do need to get burned to learn the difference between investing in lotto and crap stocks. Yeah. It's filled the gap. Not, it's close. What is that? Why? Andy, why? Andy, why? I don't understand. I don't get it. Are you trying to tell me I'm late to things? I don't get it. Andy, are you in here? I'm so confused. Why? I don't understand. Imagine if the New York Stock Exchange gave out complimentary drinks like casinos. That would be hilarious. Morning SV. Just wanted to say the masterclass was amazing. I learned a lot. Missed it live, but watched it later in the day. Raphael, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, guys, those are the lifetime masterclasses that we do every Sunday for you guys. All of you guys that come in before tomorrow at midnight and get access to your 50% off lifetime, you'll be able to get those master classes live, so you can basically participate in the live chat. But anybody else that does the payment plan that we're releasing to you guys in February, you're going to get them delayed. So you'll still have the videos. You just won't be in the what do you call it? You just won't be in the live streams. That's why I rock with the VIX. You really do care about our reports. It shows. I do, bro. Like, I fucking hate that all these people here are like, I want to hit one giant play in the market and then be done. That's not how it fucking works. You're treating the market like a lottery ticket. How long do you wait if your bid isn't accepted to adjust it? Pretty much instantly. Nancy, whole lot of nothing. Yeah, you might see. I mean, I scalped it. It was nice. It was nice. I played this candle and this candle, which is weird. I mean, this was just stop loss strategy right here on these wicks. To be honest, I took the Invictus Bed Bath & Beyond play Friday and made 200%, but wouldn't touch it without him. Well, you're trading smart. Like, you're not in here saying it's going to be the best thing since sliced bread. That's fine to do that. But if you're going to chase it when it's already up, here's the thing. If you're chasing, you deserve to lose money. Stop chasing. Stop. You're going to lose. It's not consistent. You could hit it maybe one out of 5 times. But those other times you're going to get slapped. OG Lifetime didn't work for me on Saturday when you tried to sign up. Do I already have to be a member to get 50% off? No, it's just code OG Lifetime. Make sure you're putting it in the coupon code box, not the gift card box. Because it's not a gift card, it's a coupon code. But it should take the price from $26.99 to $13.48. SPY, there's a little slippage. Nothing crazy, though. Top Chinese memory chip maker, YMTC, said to be laying off 10% of the workforce after U.S. sanctions. That's Nancy slipping. I don't know, man. This RSI on the 5 minutes hot. The 3 minutes hot. You basically... Oh, you did fill it. You're right. You did fill it there. Probably just a rim. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We're not in a rush. We're never in a rush. You have an entry problem, but I don't chase. I'm late sometimes, but don't chase. Good. Don't chase, dude. That applies to fucking everything. Stop chasing. RSI is melting your screen. Yeah, let's see if you get a traffic light coming in here soon. Where's this? 403.10? Okay. Tesla needs to get out of that sandwich. Dude, Apple was doing the same fucking thing. Look at this. It's just barcoding. It's SPY back up. I bought BBO when it was low. What's wrong with that? It's just garbage, bro. You're buying garbage. You can do what you want. Like, that's fine. You can do what you want. I just don't want to hear the complaints. Like, you can't then come in when it does blow up in flames and be like manipulation. It's like, no, you made a dumb decision. So again, if you're up, good. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your money. It's not, I'm just warning you that these things will happen. You became an ambassador over the weekend. Do I also need a PayPal account? I believe so. Yes. Yeah, I've been approving a lot of you affiliates as well. Can't recycle that garbage. No, you can't. It sounds harsh, but he speaks the truth. Exactly. It's supposed to be harsh. This isn't like a nice game, guys. For the ambassador links, is the 2-week free trial offered? Yeah. 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 Everybody, you guys can use that in your efforts too. Everybody gets 2 weeks for free. Like, this isn't some nice game where everybody's like, oh, yeah, let's make it's cutthroat. Yeah, I think you might. I'll have to take a look at that. You may not. I think you can have a PayPal account. That's how you can get paid out. Um, but I would look at that. I'd have to check back on that one. Great. Just wanted to make sure. Yeah, you guys all get access to your. Everybody gets a 2-week free trial. Doesn't matter who you are. Let's see. All right, guys. Who's gonna be lucky number 300 on the likes? Who's it gonna be? As an OG member from May of 2022, lifetime is worth every penny. Thank you, Mauser. I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, you guys have until tomorrow to get it for 50% off. Let's see. Spent a couple of hours reviewing all the videos yesterday. Took notes, averaging 10% so far across 3 trades this morning on SPY. 1348 for the win. Julian, fuck yeah, bro. I love that shit. Made 0.5% on the port while washing the dishes in no rush for the next play. Hopefully something for another 0.5% later. Crypto B. Atta boy. You guys are killing it, dude. I love to see this. Saudi Arabia to invest 1 trillion rials. I don't know what the conversion like's on that. To generate clean energy. Interesting. There's your man. Oh, you guys did it. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know who it was, but I don't see who does it. I just see the number go up. I'll just look on the 5-minute. Where's view up? 404. It could just be one of those days where it just fucks around. Like, again, there's no real crazy news coming out. It was you? Thanks, Wayne. Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate it. You guys are killing it on the likes this morning. Let's see what we get here. QQQ, 1-minute traffic light, very close to the EMA. That's never a bad sign. You want to be close to the 13. We've talked about that. Yeah, you got the traffic light here. Let's get SPY back up here. SPY right to that 13. Let's see if it pops back over. If SCV's words hurt your feelings, consider it conditioning and preparation because the market don't know what feelings are, doesn't care what you think, and is always ready to chew you up. Exactly, dude. Exactly. Possible traffic light coming on the 1 minute for SPY. It's possible, but it's not getting it yet. That's more promising. That's a shark. Hold on, let's do this. Let's do that. Let's see. Front running lights is suicide? Yeah, you do not want to be front running traffic lights. Let's see what happens at this 48 here. If it touches that 1 minute 48. Yeah, careful. It could knife through. Who knows? I mean, you got this weird knife here. Let's see, 404.23. Let's see if you get that test of 404. Yeah, there's a knife. Cool. I think that's fair. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here. Are you suggesting the market has no safe spaces? It doesn't. I want this cascade to the 200. That'd be filth. That would be filthy if it did that. Let's see. You're under the threshold for PDT. Any good daily swing advice? Here's the advice that I'll give you. Why do you have a margin account? Why do you have a margin account? Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Actually, no, I don't want it there. I want it here. Ah, darn. Cool. Put premiums are juiced? Yeah. Would I ever average up on a trade? Yeah, I buy winners. I buy winners. Yeah, I scalp SPY on that move there. That was a nice one. 1 minute traffic lights for the win, dude. These are filth. Like legitimate filth. If you guys aren't using the traffic light, I mean, you can see it here. I mean, don't front run it. That would be stupid. But you're getting this candle. You get a nice little move here. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, retest. Oh, I'm a moron. I should have just held him. I should have just held him. Damn. All right. Well, let's see what happens here. You get that put? I'm already out of it, dude. I'm already out. I was in and out quick. I scalp these like that, dude. I'm in and out super quick. So I hit the Nancy. I hit this little SPY move. I mean, just chilling, dude. Wouldn't it just bounce off the 13 EMA on the 5 for the SPY? It could. I mean, it could always sell right through, though. You never know. I mean, you've got this level right here. It could easily just sell right through. The flush is about to happen. Yeah, I should have just went traffic light to traffic light on it, which would have been fun. But again, I don't want to get myself caught in anything stupid. I'll just keep scalping. What I'm really interested for is a nice trend day with the traffic lights to just literally murdered it. He pulled out. Yeah. I mean, again, guys, you see me do this live every single day. Every day, dude. Just quick scalps. I'm not in the game for the giant gains. If it happens, it happens. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What's going on Twitter? Oh, let's see. It's still just doing its thing. Just kind of chopping around. Where's my gallon? I thought I had it over here. Yeah, it's right here. You smell bear trap? Yeah, it could. There's another crack. Here it comes. You'll have to take a small break from the market and got to put some things in order before continuing to trade. Miguel, do what you got to do, buddy. Yeah, there's that slip. So let's see what happens here at 404. Nah, it's back above. Watch this 48. If it can hold below the 48, yeah. You really, on this one, you're really just looking for that. I mean, again, this is the scale out point, the 48 for me. And if it wants to break down to that 200, cool. But I got stopped out on a move back up. Took 12% gain on SPY puts and secured the bag. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's quick. It's quick. That's why I tell you guys, if you're not comfortable in with your broker maneuvering very quickly or very, very disciplined in your risk management, do not touch the 1 minute. Like, don't do it. It's really, really good, but it'll only make you more of what you already are. If you're a solid trader, the 1 minute's going to be filthy for you. If you're not yet, I would stick to getting more time, playing the 5-minute traffic lights, things like that. What is this? Oh. Let's see. Yeah, that's a nice move there. Oh, there you go. Dude, 1 minute traffic light from where? 404.40 to 403.65. Almost a dollar move on the SPY. Again, too bad. If you're not using the traffic lights, you don't have them on your charts where you can use them on every stock. I don't know what to tell you at this point. They are filth. So again, guys, 2 weeks for free. Everybody gets access to their 2-week free trial. Take advantage of it because remember, the price is lower now than it was 2 months ago, but it's not going to be like that forever. And again, you guys have until tomorrow at midnight to secure 50% off lifetime using the code OG lifetime. Let's see here. Woo! Shining Wiz with some fucking big gains over there, buddy. 16% at a boy. Took 8% gain on the SPY 1 minute traffic light. There you go. Nancy Death. Oh, that's a big boy candle on NVIDIA here. Look at this. 1 minute traffic light. Flicker, dead. Use less than 5% of your port total for a 0.3 gain on the account. Nice. Up 1% today. Guys, let's do a little bit of a roll call. Who's up 1348 gain? Who's up over 1% on their account right now? Who did it this quick? Or who's done for the day already? T-Sir's up 0.93. El Bago's up 1. There you go. Let's see. Let's hear him. George, nice. 6%. There you go. Vito, Sam, 1.39. Daniel, 2.5. Johnny, Moonbound winning loser, Logan 0.98. That's good enough. Gerald at a boy 0.1, still green. 5% in done, 15% on the account. Holy shit. 1.24, just 0.93% count. That's pretty good. Not yet. Hey, there's still lots of time. 3.4, 0.3, 3, 10.5. Jesus. 1.9, 1.8, up 15% on the portfolio. You guys are killing it. Up 5% for the day. Trade 1348 game wins again. If you guys want to join the winning team and stop fucking around with all these other losers out there that you depend on them for the trades, you guys know where to come, man. You're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades. It's not going to happen. 7.21% smaller account. That's still solid. Joanna's up 4.2, 1.5. Thank you. Dude, you guys are murdering it. Those of you guys that want to join, the link is pinned to the top of the live chat. Do not miss out. It's fucking Print City over here every single day. Like you guys see these streams all the time. Let's see. Woo! There goes SPY. Binary options, bullshit. I got the lifetime last week, and I have to say, the best training videos and support ever. Matthew, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Thank you, dude. Dude, yeah, we try to get a lot of value packed in there for you lifetimers. We're thinking of more things to be able to offer you guys. But again, you have until tomorrow at midnight to get 50% off lifetime. After that, it's gone. All right, guys, it is 10:27 in the morning. You already got your filthy traffic light here on the SPY in the 1 minute. You're touching that 200. That's a decent scale out point if you haven't already. I mean, do what you got to do, team. It's fucking, if you guys want to zero hero it, it's your money. You can do whatever you like. But that's going to wrap it up for me this morning. Gabe is about to go live, so I'm about to send you guys 2 links. This is the link to Gabe's live stream. I want to see every single one of you guys over there. I'm about to head over there in a second. We're going to be causing more emotional damage. And this second link coming in right here is the link to join platform. So make sure that you guys are taking full advantage of that. It's like, it is so awesome, guys. But again, it kind of speaks for itself. You guys see everybody in the live chat all the time. Hop in there with us if you have not already. Let's get after it, team. 50% off lifetime. And if you want to go for the normal monthly one and get a cheaper price than it was at 2 months ago, 2 weeks for free. Other than that, guys, I will see you later. Peace.